flash flood warning now, apparently.
Issued at 3:08 a.m. Pacific
radio
Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for west central Chelan County and north central Washington until 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:58 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated several thunderstorms producing very heavy rain over the Chelan-Burns Car and upstream tracking toward the Burns Car. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the Burns Car will result in debris flow moving through the Chelan Creek, Hatchery Creek. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chumstick, Tumwater Campground, Winton and Plain. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Chelan County, Washington.